Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon and vegetable slice. This is really healthy and yummy. In a large bowl, you put diced onion, shredded zucchini, frozen cone, it can be thawed, diced bacon, shredded carrot, shredded mozzarella cheese or tasty cheese, ricotta cheese or yogurt, eggs, cream, and milk, and combine well. Then you add self-raising flour and mix well. You can add salt and pepper if you like, but please remember the bacon and cheese are salty. You pour the mixture in a lined baking tray and flatten the surface like this. Bake the slice in the preheated oven at 180 degrees or 170 when forced for 45 minutes or so until golden brown. Other vegetables like mushrooms or peas can be added. You can have many kinds of vegetables in one meal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.